Hello, my name is Ivan, and today I'll be explaining to you how can you configure a commission for your deposits and withdrawal methods on B2Core system. Alright, right now I'm gonna show you how to add commission for deposit or withdrawal methods. In order to do so, we go to System, Deposit Methods, and we choose the method that we want to add commission to. In the details, you choose the tab Commissions, and you add the commission that you want to choose. Over here, you can see there is a bunch of data over here. This is the minimum commission, this is the maximum commission amount. If you want to choose the fixed commission, you type in here. If you want to choose a percentage, you type in here. After that, you click Save, and the commission is set for this method. The same applies to payout system. In the payout methods, you go to the System and Commissions.